Welcome to Tokyo Auto Salon!
Hi everyone, it's David from Automotive Press. I'm at the Tokyo Auto Salon and I found a really cool company. It's called Flex and they are actually renovating older cars to make it look new, kind of a restoration type of projects, and they focus on vans and also trucks in the future. And they call it Renoca series, which means renovation car, shortened version. So they've got lots of interesting things, a van-based project, a couple van one here, and they're all designed to look retro, 1960s, 70s style. Obviously, the most interesting ones are the Land Cruiser 100 series renovation or remodeling, and they've even got some modern station wagons designed to look really old. I find it really cool and also very exciting. They're setting up a U.S. operation to start selling cars in North America, and they're going to also be remodeling Tacoma and Tundra to have the heritage look. So that's going to be really cool that they're still working on that. I just spoke to the designer, Nanami-san, who's a young lady who's in charge of some of the design work. But you can see that they all have a similar kind of design theme, very clean. Most of the time they have to replace the hood and sometimes the fenders and so forth to bring that heritage look. All of them has this kind of a cool color. But let me show you the Land Cruiser. There's a couple of examples here, and they both are fully renovated, restomod I guess we call it, and they've changed some of the panels, some of the bumpers and so forth is all new. So basically it's like getting a whole new car with upgraded powertrain and so forth, but you still have the old design look. And even the inside has been remodeled and restored with new parts, and so it's really cool. I don't know if this is open, I guess it is. And you can see everything has been redone. All these things has been done, but you still have the old design, old look. The seats has the retro brown color, and the concept is to be able to enjoy the outdoor, not just enjoy the heritage look. So this one has a full bed inside with a little cute lighting going on inside, and you can actually go camping with this. So if you look at the back, really cool design. Even the fold-down table, all made from real wood, and this comes down. Apparently this one is about 40,000 US. So actually not as expensive as many other Restomod. Here's another Land Cruiser right here, again with some modification to the back. Obviously they've got it decked out with some outdoor stuff, so really cool. Let's take a look at the inside of this Land Cruiser here. The paint job is all new, and similar idea here inside. Has retro look, kind of like a baseball glove type leather finish. Really interesting design here. And on this side, this is now the van, and same idea here. Very thick. This looks like a leather. I should find out if it's leather or vinyl. Maybe it's could be a fake leather, but it looks like a real leather to me. And also cocoa mat style mat. This is a real normal floor mat, but designed to look like an old cocoa mat, if you remember that from 1970s. Yeah, so this is a van, very clean look in the front, and I can't wait to see what they're going to do with Tacoma or Tundra, but that's going to be really interesting project. Many different models to choose from right now. There's some brochures here, and you can tell they have a bunch of interesting concepts. Oh look, there's an advertisement for Lexus GX Open Country here. But otherwise, you got some magazine style brochure showcasing outdoor fishing, camping, that kind of stuff. That's a huge deal right now in Japan, this idea about enjoying the outdoor, enjoying camping and the life in general. That's the theme, which is unexpected here in Auto Salon. Typically it's about sports cars and racing, and they kind of migrated to include outdoor stuff this year. So that's pretty interesting stuff. Hopefully you like the concept. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Maybe you can connect with them back in North America and maybe go visit them once they set up their shop in San Diego apparently, and we will get to know them a little bit more. Thank you so much. Until next video, I'm signing off for now.